So welcome back to the Stat Show. This week we're looking at transfers again, and this time we're focusing on central defensive midfielders. So starting with Darren Fletcher, who we've signed, and he seems to be a decent signing. He's a dependable footballer, but it is a bit worrying how his career seems to be declining, and we can see this in the amount of defensive actions he's making per 90 minutes. It's getting less and less and less, and this might not be the worst thing in the world, but it suggests to me that we probably can't solely rely on Fletcher alone, and we might need to bring someone else in. And another name that's been bounced around is Fabian Delph from Man City, who again it's not a transfer to really get you excited, to get you out of your seat. He seems to be relatively similar to Joe Allen. His stats don't seem to stand out too much to the Welshman. He doesn't really seem to be the creative talent we need in the midfield, nor is he the defensive stalwart that we need in the midfield. He just seems to be a bit of a box-to-box player, and I'm not desperately sure we need any more box-to-box players. But one player I am really interested in and really excited about, who's been reported as being available in Germany, is Benjamin Stambouli, who used to play at Tottenham. He's also been at PSG, and at the minute he's at Schalke. We haven't been linked with him, so don't get your hopes up or anything. This is just purely off my own back. This is a player I really like and would like to see come and play for Stoke. His stats seem to suggest that he is the perfect holding midfielder that we need. He makes 4 interceptions a match, which is the 5th best record this season in the Bundesliga. And he's reportedly available. Schalke want to get rid of him and want to let him go. So that means he shouldn't really cost Stoke too much money, and he'd be a player I'd really like to see us push the boat out and try and sign. So that's it for looking at defensive midfielders. Looks like there's a bit more work to do, but the signing of Darren Fletcher is probably a promising start. Make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to the Bear Pit TV.